Children, join your class with your own names. Wake up, children. Children. बच्चों, आज से आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग।
Recording in progress.
ताहा, ताहा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू? ओके। Welcome to Junior KG. I am your teacher, Miss Shazia. बच्चों, सबसे पहले हम अल्लाह के नाम से दिन का आगाज करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम ताउस पढ़ेंगे। ताउस क्यों पढ़ते हैं? ताकि शैतान हमसे दूर भाग जाए। तो मेरे साथ पढ़ें, आऊज़ु बिल्लाही मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। पनाह मांगती हूँ अल्लाह की शैतान मरदूद से। तस्मिया, तस्मिया हम क्यों पढ़ते हैं? ताकि हमारे हर काम में बरकत हो, अल्लाह ताला की रहमत और बरकत हो। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। पहला कलमा तैयब। तैयब माने पाक। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। अल्लाह के सिवा कोई इबादत के लायक नहीं। ओके। ताहा, look at the screen. Taha, look at the screen. What is this? This is calendar board. Why do we use calendar? हम कैलेंडर क्यों यूज करते हैं? Calendar tell us day, month, date, year, season and weather. कैलेंडर हमें क्या क्या बताता है? मंथ, डे, डेट, ईयर, सीजन, weather. Okay, now look at here. What are these? Month's name. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, now which month is going on? Taha, which month is going on? August. Okay, now what date is today? What date is today? Today is 10th August. Today is 10 August. Okay, now, how many days in a week? How many days in a week? 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What day is today? What day is today, Taha? Tuesday. Okay, now, which season, which year is going on? Which season is going on? Look at here. These are season. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. Which season is going on? Summer. Okay, now. Which year is going on? 2021. Okay, now, what are these? Weathers. How is weather today? Cloudy. Cloudy. So children, today is 10 August 2021. Okay, now I am going to reinforcement sounds. Do you remember sounds? बच्चों आप ये sounds Montessori में पढ़ चुके हैं. Okay, now which picture is this? Which picture is this? Apple. Apple. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. Very good. A. Airplane. A. Airplane. Very good. Which picture is this? Taha, which picture is it? Bear. Very good. What is the beginning sound of bear? B. 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 Bear. B. Bear. Very good. B. Butter. बटर खाते हैं ताहा टोस्ट पे लगा के खाते हैं ना ब बटर ब बेबी ब बेबी ब बॉल वेरी गुड ताहा ब ball b ball okay b bread b bread very good oh which picture is this which picture is this cat Very good. What is the beginning sound of cat?
Cat.
Ka cat. Very good. Ka cat. Ka cat.
Cat.
Okay. Ka camel.
Camel.
Ka camel.
Camel.
Very good. Ka cup.
Cup.
Ka cup.
Cup.
Ka cup. Very good. Ka cup. Very good. Taha. Ka car. Ka car. Genau. Ka ka cut. Ka cut. Very good. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Taha? Duck. Which picture is this? Duck. What is the beginning sound of duck? Da, duck. Very good. Da, duck. Da, duck. Da, drum. Da, drum. Very good. Da, donut. डोनट तो खाते होंगे ताहा बहुत शौक से ताहा खाते हैं ना हैं खाते हैं ओहो डा डोनट डा डा डॉग वेरी गुड डा डॉग डा डॉग डा डॉग ओहो ये कौन है भाई जब ताहा बीमार हो जाते हैं तो किसके पास जाते हैं जब ताहा की तबीयत खराब होती है किसके पास जाते हैं डा डॉक्टर वेरी गुड डा डॉक्टर डा डॉक्टर डा डोर डा डोर डा डोर डा डोर Okay, now what is the formation of A? A. How to write A? Starting from the dot, make a kha, go up, then come down. Make a kha, go up, then come down. Make a kha, go up, then come down. A. What is the formation of B? Start from the dot, come down and down, go up, turn around. It's B. Come down and down, go up, turn around. B. B. Come down and down, go up, turn around. It's B. Okay, now what is the formation of K? Start from the dot, make a Ka. Ka is curvy. Very good. Make a kha. Kha is curvy. Make a kha. Kha is curvy. Okay, now what is the formation of the? Start from the dot. Make a kha. Go up, up, then come down and down. It's da. Make a kha. Go up, up, then come down and down, da. Make a kha. Go up, up, then come down and down. It's da. A, b, k, da. Very good. Which sound is this? Very good. Which sound is this? B. Which sound is this? K. Which sound is this? D. D. Okay, now repeat after me. Start from the dot. Make a kha. Make a kha. Go up and come down. Okay? Make a kha. Make a kha. Go up and come down. It's a. Again. Start from the dots. Which sound is this? B. Start from the dot. Come down and down. Go up. Turn around. It's B. B. Come down and down. Go up and turn around. It's B. Okay, now start from the dot. K. Start from the dot. Make a K. K is curvy. K is curvy. Start from the dot. Make a K. K is curvy. Very good. Which sound is this? Taha, which sound is this? Da. Start from the dot. Make a kha. Go up, up, then come down and down. It's da. It's da. Okay, now repeat after me. बच्चों अब हम ये साउंड्स दोबारा पढ़ेंगे. A apple. A apple. Very good. A ant. A ant. A, alligator. A, alligator. A, airplane. एयरप्लेन में तहा गए? तहा कहाँ गए एयरप्लेन में? A, airplane. Oh. B, bear. B, bear. B, bear. B, butter. B, butter. ताहा ने बताया नहीं बटर खाते हैं या नहीं खाते? टोस्ट पे लगाते हैं ताहा? खाते हैं? ओहो, मैं भी खाती हूँ। ब, बेबी। आप भी तो बेबी है ना? छोटे से बेबी। बड़े हो गए ताहा? बड़े हो गए? ब, बेबी।
हमारे घर पे मोहम्मद अमर रहता है, वो बेबी है।
ओके। ब, बॉल.
बॉल.
B, ball. Very good.
बॉल.
B, bread. B, bread. K, cat. आपके घर में है कैट? है कैट? ओहो, मेरे घर में तो नहीं है। K, cat. K, camel. K, camel. K, cup. K, cup. K, car. K, cat. K, cat. Okay, now look at back. Look at the board. Okay, now I am today we will write sounds. First of all, write your date. Today is 10 August. And day here. What day is today? Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay, now look at here. There are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write this sound in this line. Okay, now first sound. Now the first sound is A. You have to write A between in 2 lines. Start from the second line. Make a kha till third line. Go up and come down till third line. A. It's A. Now second sound. Now the second sound is B within 3 lines. Start from the first line. Come down and down till third line. Go up, second line. Turn around. It's B. It's B. Okay, now third sound between two lines, between two lines. K. Start from the second line. K is curvy. Make a K. K is curvy. Okay, now last sound. You have to write D within 3 lines. Start from the second line, make a K till third line, go up till first line, then come down and down, third line. It's D. It's D. Now, A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. How to write A? Make a K, go up and come down. Between two lines. Okay, now second sound, B. How to write B? Start from the first line, come down and down till third line, go up second line and turn around. It's B. Okay, now third sound is K. Between in two lines. Start from the second line. Make a K. K is curvy. K is curvy. Okay, now last sound. D. D start from the first line. Second line. D start from the second line. Make a K till third line. Go up. Second line. Go up. Then come down and down. Start from the second line, make a K, go up till first line, then come down and down. It's D. बच्चों, आपने ये काम बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग में करना है. ए ब ख ड. और ये देखिए, आपकी इंग्लिश की वर्ड बुक है. टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश वर्ड बुक. ओपन पेज नंबर 3. ओपन पेज नंबर 3. जिस तरह से मैंने आपको बताया है, बिल्कुल आपको इसी तरीके से करना है. ठीक है. पेज नंबर 3. राइट. ए ब ख ड. ओके. स्टे सेफ. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज. ये कौन आ गई? दुआ है ये? मिनाल है? कौन है? What is your name? मिनाल तो चली गई. कहाँ है मिनाल? मुझे नजर ही नहीं आ रही मिनाल. ओहो, ये रही मिनाल. ओहो, मिनाल कहाँ थी? मिनाल अभी सो के उठी हैं? ओहो, मिनाल ने तो क्लास मिस कर दी. ताहा देखिए, सबसे पहले उठे हुए. ताहा आपके फ्रेंड सबसे पहले उठे हुए हैं. ताहा और ताहा ने पूरी क्लास ली है, आप रह गई। दुआ, आपने मिनाल इंग्लिश वर्ब बुक का पेज नंबर 3 आपने करना है, ठीक है। ये लुक एट हियर, पेज नंबर 3 इंग्लिश वर्ब बुक का पेज नंबर 3। ओके, साउंड्स करने हैं, याद है ना आपको साउंड्स? पूछूं आपसे? हाँ, दुआ को याद है साउंड्स? ओ मिनाल, साउंड्स बताइए मुझे जल्दी से। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज। अल्लाह हाफिज।